Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into modular body kits for Japanese cars in Asia. We'll break it down in simple terms, so you can understand the key points quickly and clearly. Let's get started. Modular body kits are one of the most interesting upgrades for Japanese cars in Asia right now. Instead of buying a huge, one-piece kit, drivers can pick smaller parts that fit their taste, budget, and roads. That matters a lot in places like Japan, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, South Korea, and the Philippines, where narrow streets and rough roads are part of daily life. By 2026, new styling trends, tighter rules, and rising EV and hybrid sales will push demand for flexible, mix and match kits. Owners want good looks, better airflow, and practical ground clearance, all in one package. This video walks through what makes modular kits special, what trends are coming in 2026, and simple tips for choosing the right setup without getting lost in technical details. What makes modular body kits different for Japanese cars in Asia? Modular body kits work like building blocks for your car. Instead of replacing the whole bumper or side of the car in one go, you add smaller pieces that can be swapped or upgraded later. It feels a bit like customizing a gaming character, but you are changing lips, skirts, and spoilers instead of clothes and shoes. Traditional full kits often come as large, one-piece bumpers. They look wild, but they can crack on steep driveways, scrape on speed bumps, and cost a lot to repair. In many Asian cities, where roads are tight and parking angles are sharp, that kind of setup can turn daily driving into a headache. With a modular kit, a Toyota GR86 owner in Japan might start with a front lip and side skirts. A Civic driver in Malaysia might add a rear diffuser and small spoiler first. A Nissan Z owner in Thailand could wait and add wider fenders later, once they have wheels that need that extra space. Because every part is separate, you can remove or replace only the section that gets damaged. Over time, you can build a more aggressive style without ripping off the whole kit and starting from zero. Simple definition. How modular body kits work. A modular body kit is a set of separate add-on parts that work together. Common pieces include front lips, side skirts, rear diffusers, canards, spoilers, fender flares, and grille inserts. Owners of Japanese cars like the Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ, Nissan Z, Honda Civic, and many K or compact cars pick each part one by one. You might start with a simple front lip to reduce the factory gap look. Later, you add side skirts to match the lines. After a few months, you bolt on a small trunk spoiler or a roof spoiler. The key point is choice. You do not have to buy everything at once. You can match the build to your budget, your taste, and even your driving skills as they change over time. Why modular kits fit Asian city roads and daily driving. City driving in Asia can be rough on low cars. Many streets are narrow, parking ramps are steep, and speed bumps appear without warning. In parts of Indonesia and the Philippines, you also face patchy roads and surprise potholes. Thanks for watching Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.